So when we're talking about maintenance and the impact to investor retention, which there's a huge correlation, there's two things that can really make an investor leave you for that reason. One, the resident didn't renew because they had a bad maintenance experience, which maintenance is usually the number one reason why a resident doesn't renew. Or two, it's getting too costly. So if we're going to look at metrics or KPIs that you ultimately want to monitor to ensure that those things are in order, there's two very specifically. One is resident satisfaction score, and again, this cannot be. This has to go out every time. It has to go out quickly, and you have to get a response rate of at least 20%. It's got to be metric driven. So that's one. The second one to pay attention to is annual maintenance spend per unit. And so as you're looking over a 3-month, 6-month, 30-day window, you should have an idea of what your maintenance spend is per unit across your portfolio. And if you look at those two things, you can keep a really good handle. The only nuance is depending on the class of property that you're dealing with, you get about 10% of the rent roll in maintenance spend to stay in a pretty healthy space. 12% is of maintenance costs as percentage of rent rolls, where investor churn drastically increases.